Namaskar, friends. Welcome again to the session of story reading. In today's session, we will read the story Chuha or Chuhiya, and we will also learn about U and U matra. Chuha or Chuhiya. In the heading, you can see Chuha has the U matra and Chuhiya has U matra. So this is a story about चूहा एंड चूहिया. सुमित और गुड़िया का घर बहुत सुंदर था. सुमित एंड गुड़िया, हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ, their house was very beautiful. एक दिन, one day, चूहा और चूहिया वहाँ आए. This couple of rats came there. सुमित दूध उबाल रहा था. सुमित was boiling milk. गुड़िया खाना बना रही थी. गुड़िया was cooking meal. चूहा भूखा था. Rat was hungry. चूहिया इधर उधर सूंघ रही थी. सूंघ रही थी means taking the smell. गुड़िया बोली. गुड़िया said, सुमित चटाई बिछाओ. Sumit, bring the mat and put it there. रुमाल लाओ, bring the handkerchief. सब कुछ खाओ, eat everything. फिर दूध पियो, then drink milk. खाना खाकर, after eating your meal, bathroom जाओ, go to bathroom. साबुन लो, take soap. हाथ साफ कर सो जाओ. Wash your hands and sleep. On the other side you can see चूहा. चूहा भागा. चूहिया बोली, सुबह तक रुक जाओ. He ran, but चूहिया said, wait till morning. चूहा ना माना. He didn't agree. रुमाल खींचा. He took the handkerchief. बची हुई रोटी खाई. The remaining chapati he ate. चूहिया भी आई. She also came there. मुँह डाला. Put the mouth inside. दुम हिलाई. Her tail was moving with happiness. आलू खाया. Ate potato. बहुत दिनों के बाद भरपूर खाना पाया. After so many days, they got full meal. Now you can see the Sinhalese translation of the story by Miss Amani. Here are the meanings of some words used in this story. Doodh, milk. Ubal, boil. Ubalna, boiling. Bhookha tha, was hungry. सूंघ रही थी was smelling. चटाई, mat. रूमाल, handkerchief. रुक, stop. आलू, potato. Now you will learn the gender thing also. If it is a pulling, male, masculine, then we say gudda. And the verb we will use is also masculine, bola. Gudda bola. But the feminine sentence would be गुड़िया बोली. Same way, चूहा भागा. चूहिया भागी. And पति पत्नी. Husband wife. Sentences also you can see the u matra words. बहुत, that is too much. मंदिर बहुत बड़ा था. सुंदर, that is beautiful. गुड़िया सुंदर थी. सुबह, that is morning. रमा सुबह उठ. मुँह, that is mouth. मगर का मुँह बड़ा था. दुम, गाय की दुम, टेल, छोटी थी. रूमाल, here you should notice the u matra with r is in a different way. The u matra in rumal you can see. उसका रुमाल लाल था. his handkerchief was red. And ruk, in ruk the matra is u, and u when we put with ra it's a different style. You should notice that. Vah ruk gaya, he stopped. Now some questions from the story. चूहा चूहिया कहाँ गए? घर. Now we should notice the gender also of the noun words in Hindi. Like चूहा भूखा था. If it was चूहिया, then we will say चूहिया भूखी थी. With gender, the word is changing. In the third blank, we have to fill साबुन. साबुन लो. हाथ धो. Take soap. Wash hand. चूहे ने रोटी खाई. Here the gender of the roti is feminine. So we are using खाई. Okay. Now चित्रों के नाम लिखिए. The first picture is of chitra is of handkerchief. The second chitra you can see is chatai. The third chitra is roti. Actually there are many, so we will call rotiyan. And the fourth chitra is of aloo, that is potato. Thank you friends for watching this video. Next time we will meet with some other story. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy. अगली बार फिर हम मिलेंगे किसी अन्य कहानी के साथ. तब तक स्वस्थ रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए, अपने आसपास वालों का ध्यान रखिए. अलविदा तब तक के लिए.